Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Roland Tagufa. Guys, our topic is still about stairs and railings. I'm so sorry we couldn't start this documentation because I forgot this very important topic in stairs and railings, that is select, level, and shaft. Our topic for stairs is not complete if we couldn't discuss this very simple command about stairs. Guys, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Alright guys, let's get started. Now guys, my Revit is open. Next that we will gonna do is we're gonna open a new project. So I'm opening a new project and I will select this metric architecture template and then OK. Now guys, next that I'm going to do is we're gonna open this project browser south elevation. I'll open it and I'm going to select this one and right click and create similar. And then next is I'm going to pick lines and I'm going to offset it at 400 mm. And then I just place my mouse in one and then again place my mouse and then again and then again and then let's finish this mode. And then I just click this escape twice and I go back to this level 1. And in level 1, next that I'm going to do is I'm going to make a floor. So I'll just make a floor and I will select this boundary and then rectangle and just place. I'll select this any generic that I'm that is there, the default generic. I'll just accept that and then I'll finish it. Finish the mode and then I'm going to click this and copy and then I'll paste it on selected level and I'll paste it on level 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and then OK. And then in 3D it is like this. We have a series of slabs up to 6th floor. And I'll go back to level 1 and then in level 1 we'll go straight. I'm going to create these stairs and then run and then this straight. I'll just select this left and then I'll make a stair up to 11 and then I'll go 1 meter and then I'll just do it like this and then finish the mode and then I'll just go to this 3D and there is our stairs. So next that we will do is we're gonna make this stairs up to this 5th floor. And guys, you don't need to make stairs one by one. This is the one that I just wanted to emphasize that if I will not make this one tutorial. Our tutorial for stairs is not complete. So I'll go back to this level 1 and I have selected and there is select levels. So this is the one that I wanted to you to know, guys. So I'll just select this and then I'll select this south and then open and then next is I'm going to connect levels. So I'll pick this level. I'll just pick this and then pick this and then up to there, up to level 5. We can also place up to level 6 if you want, and then okay, and there it is, our stairs. So all stairs are coming. So you don't need to do one by one. All you need to do is just pick one of the stairs and then click this select level. And you can also disconnect. There is connect, disconnect. If I click this disconnect, click it, and I can disconnect this one and then finish again, and there it is. And then next that we'll do is I'm going to this level 2 in project browser, and we're gonna make a shaft. So I'll go to this architecture tab, and then I'm going to select this shaft. So architecture, there is shaft, this shaft. Then I'll select this shaft, and then I'm going to draw a rectangle. So rectangle from here up to, I don't know where it is, but okay, we can revise that one. So it is there. So now we see it, and then next is I'll edit the sketch and I can move it up to and then again I'll go to 3D, and there is our shaft. And we can bring this down more and bring it also there up. And there it is, we have a shaft. So this is the thing that I've not yet discussed. This is very important for you guys because whenever you wanted to draw a stairs for multiple floors, you don't need to draw it one by one. There is an option in stairs that you can do it all in arrays. So guys, that's it for today, and on our next video we're gonna start our documentations. Alright guys, see you on my next video. Allah Hafiz, till we meet again. Bye bye.